Azhar Builder is a name of excellence and trust. In accordance to the client's requirement, we have completed a stupendous project in AWT, a one-canal modern villa with 9 unique design and a glorious elevation. This house has 5 spacious rooms, 2 TV lounge and 2 kitchens. Our experienced team of designers contractors completed the house in 2 years. Come visit our office and find a one-stop solution to all of your construction problems. We have a team of competent and experienced individuals, which specializes in understanding clients' requirements, and with the help of trained subcontractors, the team flawlessly execute the entire finish work and arrived design of the building or house.